Okay, in this video, just show you some of the features that I don't really use on Tubebuddy, but they're handy little add-ons, and just to know what they are and where they are. So the first one we will look at is Advanced Embed. So say you're going to put your video onto a website or somewhere else, you can change the way it looks. So you can have it so that it auto plays the video, loops the video. You can disable full screen. You can force close captions, disable keyboard controls so it makes them play and watch the video. And maybe makes the branding a little bit less, e.g. YouTube. So you can click all of these. You can even set the time you want the video to play. So this would be great if you've got a website and you wanted to play a little short little snippet of a video that plays all the way through from one of YouTube videos. You click copy, and then when you copy that code and paste that into your website, it will play the video exactly how you want it to be. So that's one tool I want to show you. And then another tool that I'm just going to show you is, give me a second, Video Topic Planner. And this is just really something that you can use in conjunction with Keyword Explorer. So you might just want to do a topic, new software review. This doesn't do anything. And you put notes on it and click save. And it's just, again, you could just, it's a bit like a to-do list, really, isn't it? It's something and nothing, but that's in there. You could have some of your topics, and then every time, you use the Tubebuddy interface, it's there. And the other one to show you, which is actually similar, really, is tag lists. So say you wanted certain tags to appear in all of your videos, like, software review, software reviewer, blah, 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 blah. You could create a new tag list, like I've got one called Review Software, and you could put software review. The reason you would do this is you would have your list of all the tags there, and once you've got your video and you're going through, the tags, at the end of it, you could insert all of those tags, your regular tags, into the video. So that is just three things that I've just shown you very quickly in that video. It is Advanced Embed, the tag generator, and the topic